What's up guys, Grizzly Kicks here, coming to you today with an all new video on this Sport Boost 6 restoration. Now just to let you guys know, I will not be talking throughout the video, but I will be talking at the end, so I'll see you guys then.
Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it stink. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it stink. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Okie dokie, I'll keep it low key like Thor, lil' bro, or he'll go blow the loudie. Saudi of sour Saudi, Wiley up off peyote, wildin' like that coyote. If I sip any, my belly just might be Audi. Pull up inside a Huggy, start skiing Hutch a Dougie. I just opened up the pack in an hour, I'll ask my lucky. Tonight she just yelling fuck me, 2 weeks she'll be yelling fuck me. Used to like orange cassette tapes with Timmy, Tommy, and Chuck E. Jesus pieces, sing Jesus love me, providing it.
What's up guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It did take me a lot of time and effort to get this done, but it was a pretty short video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please drop the like at the bottom, share it with your friends, and then let me get a couple of things out of the way before I bring this video to a close. There were scratches on the leather that were really deep. The best I did was paint over it. It wasn't that visible anymore, but it is still there just in case you guys saw it. And the customer did not request a repaint on the sport blue. He just wanted a clean and a repaint on the white. But yeah, that's all I need to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Peace.